As researchers, we waste valuable time manually sorting through articles and comparing findings. With NotebookLM and Gemini, simply add your source URLs and instantly generate structured comparisons, visual summaries, and interactive dashboards. Identify research gaps faster, synthesize literature efficiently, and focus on what matters, your analysis. Ready to transform your research workflow? Let's get started.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First of all, we will use Google Gemini to extract existing data about our area of concern. As a researcher, I will ask Google Gemini to list the academic papers between 2010 and 2025. These papers should be published, and altogether, the number of papers should be substantial. My area of interest is learning about the impact of technology on students' achievements in mathematics classrooms. We're using Gemini because this is a powerful tool with the potential to list down all the required URLs. This way, you can modify the script as per your needs. So, I am interested to learn about academic papers. Once you input your prompt, hit Enter. You will be able to see results that talk about technology integration in mathematics classrooms. Now let's examine the first paper. Let me click on the very first paper. Here is the paper. You can see it talks about a meta-analysis of the impact of technology-related factors on students' academic performance. It's also a systematic review of studies from 2010 to 2025. Now we will go to the second step. We will open Google NotebookLM, and here is the official site. We will create a new notebook for this project. I will choose Websites and then copy the entire URLs and paste them over here. Once these links are pasted, just double-check to ensure you haven't missed any link. Once you've checked and everything seems fine, hit Insert and it will begin the process. Now you can see all sources have been added. You can see it talks about technology integration in mathematics education. To extract more information about all the input data, we will use the newly available features. Once you click, you will have this interface where you can choose your language and customize your output. I have instructed NotebookLM to extract the most important aspects from the papers, including research questions, results, limitations, and research gaps. I have also asked it to extract the most important codes from the papers and group them by topic. You can input your prompt as per your requirements. This is what I have input. Once you input your prompt, hit Generate, and it will begin the process. Analyzing the results. Once the process is over, you will be able to see a comprehensive data table with the required columns. These discuss various aspects of the research. Here you can see we have the option to export this as a sheet, so let's click it. And here is the complete Excel file of our academic papers with titles, authors, key results, limitations, research gaps, codes, topics, and more. This table gives you all the necessary information that is required. Now you don't have to read entire academic papers. Just the combination of Google Gemini and NotebookLM helps you extract key information from your sources and arrange them in a tabular form. To learn more about the limitations, key findings, and other important aspects, you can see this is quite a comprehensive table. If you want to visualize this data, just copy the NotebookLM link, click Add Resource, and input this as a link. Once you input it, you will be able to see it will be added to your resources. What you need to do is uncheck all the resources, and this time check only the Google Sheet you have just uploaded. So here you can see I have already checked it. Once checked, go to the Studio tab and hit Inforgraphics to turn this data into stunning visuals. Let's click it and wait for a while. Once the process is over, you will be able to see a comprehensive infographic. You can see how tech empowers learning. It boosts academics, increases student engagement, and more. So this is an infographic which we have created using our data table. But this is not over yet. We can make all these sources more interactive by creating dashboards. In order to do so, let's go back to Gemini. Then we will choose our source from here. You can see NotebookLM listed here, so I will go with this. Once clicked, you will be able to see your recent NotebookLM project. This is the first NotebookLM, and you can double-check the name. Once you've input your source, it's time to enter our prompt. In this case, we have requested the creation of an interactive dashboard. Here's the most important step. Make sure to select Canvas from the available Tools options. Once everything is set up and your preferences are chosen, hit Enter and wait a moment. The system will generate a stunning interactive dashboard for you. You will be able to see the codes and output as well. So here is the output. It talks about the overall review, framework analysis, achievement research repository, and all aspects of the research. You can see the dashboard overview displays various information. Under the framework analysis, you will be able to see pedagogical content knowledge versus MTSK comparisons, that is, mathematics teachers' specialized knowledge. This is even better. You will be able to see the effectiveness of technology in mathematics education, and various technologies have been used, including digitized platforms and more. You can further see key takeaways and additional insights. So, in just a few simple steps, we've transformed hours of academic research into actionable insights. Using the powerful combination of Google Gemini and NotebookLM, you can now extract key information, create comprehensive data tables, generate stunning visualizations, and build interactive dashboards, all without reading through hundreds of pages of academic papers. This workflow is a game changer for researchers, students, and educators alike. It saves time, enhances productivity, and makes research more accessible than ever before. So try this workflow for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. What research topic will you explore first? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more AI-powered research tools and educational content. Thank you for watching, and happy researching!